आज हमारे साथ स्पेशल गेस्ट मौजूद हैं हमारे हब 47 के नए डायरेक्टर मोहम्मद शहबाज खान साहब। शहबाज भाई, वेलकम टू पेस पॉडकास्ट।
Thank you so much, Ali, for the invitation, and thank you for the PACE team. As an introduction, I hail from Abbottabad, Pakistan. By profession, I'm a chartered accountant, and I'm in Dubai since 9 years. Yeah, 2016, yes. So it's been 9 years I'm here.
किस तरह के स्टार्टअप्स के साथ आपने अभी तक काम किया है हब 47 के अंदर?
अब 47 में अभी तक जो हमने द स्टार्टअप दैट वी हैव ग्रेजुएटेड वर्किंग इन द हेल्थ टेक. Yeah, now there are a few startups that were working in the digital marketing sphere, and some that are into the AI sphere. So current cohort, if I talk about, we have a startup. We have a startups from digital marketing sector, the AI sector, ML, yeah, machine learning, and these things. And मैंने एक podcast start किया. The podcast का जो speaker थे, his name is Dr. Ivan Meisner, who is the founder of BNI. He said, if you are listening this podcast, you have to watch it. Yeah, so you have to watch it. It's a video podcast, so you have to watch it. I was driving and I was going to play cricket. तो मैं late भी हो रहा था, match भी था. So I stopped my car and I said, let me watch it. Because उसका जो topic था वो बड़ा interesting था. That was garage to global. कि एक कंपनी को गैरेज से आप ग्लोबल कैसे लेके जा सकते हो. मैंने कहा चलो मैच पे सेक्रीफाइस करता हूँ. नॉर्मली आई डोंट डू बट आई डिड. सो मैं वहाँ पे रुका, मैंने उसको देखा तो उसमें दो जो लाइन्स थी ना जो उन्होंने बोली थी, दैट कम्प्लीटली शिफ्ट माई माइंड. सबसे पहली बात उन्होंने की थी, बीइंग एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, डोंट वर्क इन द बिजनेस, वर्क ऑन द बिजनेस. That's a very powerful line. What I was doing, I was working inside the business. Yeah. So the second line that changed my perspective, he said, while hiring the staff, don't look for someone who knows everything. Look for someone who has a spark to learn. तो मेरे पास सीवीज जब आए ना, तो मैंने देखे कुछ लोग ऐसे थे, I know everything. I interviewed. तो कुछ ऐसे थे जो they wanted to learn. So I heard those one which wanted to learn. And after listening that podcast, within a year, I scaled my business. I think the revenue shift came, the increase came more than 70%. So getting the right mentor, it's a blessing, I believe.
Amazing. I think words to live by. Garage to global.
Yeah.
Zabardast idea. अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन व सामीन, वेलकम टू पेस पॉडकास्ट बाय हब 47। आज हमारे साथ स्पेशल गेस्ट मौजूद हैं हमारे हब 47 के नए डायरेक्टर मोहम्मद शहबाज खान साहब। शहबाज भाई, वेलकम टू पेस पॉडकास्ट।
Thank you so much, Ali, for the invitation, and thank you for the PACE team. As an introduction, I hail from Abbottabad, Pakistan. By profession, I'm a chartered accountant, and I'm in Dubai since 9 years. Yeah, 2016, yes. So it's been 9 years I'm here. I'm ex-auditor for Deloitte. And while I came to Dubai, I joined Al Habtoor Group as a group finance manager. I worked over there for 4 years. And then I got an opportunity working in DIFC as a group CFO. I worked over there. I was managing around $10 billion of the portfolio in the for the investment fund. And right now I'm running my own consultancy along with the real estate.
ज़बरदस्त। तो आप जो है हमारे गेस्ट के प्रोफाइल में दो तरह से फिट होते हैं। एक तो आपका माशाल्लाह 47 का रोल है, दूसरा यू आर ऑल्सो एन एंटरप्रेन्योर योरसेल्फ। तो दोनों चीज़ों पे आपसे बात होगी। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग ओवर, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग अस योर टाइम। सबसे पहले आपसे बात करते हैं कि एज ए वॉलंटियर इन हब 47 आप क्यों उसको टाइम देते हैं? व्हाट इज़ योर ऑब्जेक्टिव? कि क्या आपका मोटिवेशन है?
We started this initiative. I'm part of the founding team in, I believe, in 2023. Yes, so it's been more than now 2 years.
Yes.
So why this idea came into my mind to volunteer myself, because Alhamdulillah, I can say I'm an expert in my field, and there are a lot of people that need guidance and they need mentorship, for example. So I believe that the Hub 47 can be a better place where I can share my knowledge, my experience with the people. So till the time, since the start of this initiative until now, alhamdulillah, I'm part of the team, and my team of 47, they selected me as a director, and so I hope that I will do the justice with my role.
थैंक यू। डेफिनेटली एक बड़ा जो है नोबल कॉज है। एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है? हाउ हैज़ द एक्सपीरियंस बीन सो फार फ्रॉम द कॉन्सेप्ट? आई गेस इनिशियल एक मैसेज आया होगा कि जी हम ये करना चाह रहे हैं। व्हाई डिड क्या आपको फीलिंग आई थी आपने मैसेज देखा था और आपने रिस्पॉन्ड किया था उसको कि जी हाँ, लेट मी कम फॉरवर्ड एंड बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस न्यू इनिशिएटिव?
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो ये जो इनिशिएटिव है, इट्स वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड। हाउ? बिकॉज जितनी भी दुनिया में एक्सेलरेटर और इंक्यूबेटर्स दे आर ऑल वर्किंग ऑन ए कमर्शियल बेसिस। हमारा ये जो इंक्यूबेशन और एक्सेलरेशन प्रोग्राम है विद द नेम ऑफ Hub47, इट्स प्योरली वॉलंटियर बेस्ड। सो इट मीन्स दैट वी आर नॉट चार्जिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम फॉर आवर कंसल्टेशन और mentorship that we are giving. It's totally volunteer, and we are doing it for the community. As you know that in the UAE, there is a big gap for that such type of platform is not available for the Pakistanis who are coming from Pakistan to UAE. They want to do some business in terms of a tech startup, but there's no platform currently available. So there was a gap which we tried to fill in. At the start, it was quite difficult for us because if you are developing a program that is one of its kind, so it was not that easy because there is no accurate models available in the market that we need to just follow and do the job. But for us, it was quite unique. And during the journey, I felt there was up and downs. Sometimes teams got disassociated. There were the heartbreaks, I will say. But alhamdulillah, the team, we gelled together, we bonded together. We faced all those challenges. And right now, alhamdulillah, proudly I can say that we are at a position where the market knows us, that what we are doing. Since it's a volunteer, and I believe when you are doing something for the community and not looking for any reward in terms of financial things, so then there is one power behind you that keeps pushing you, and that's the only thing. And literally, Ali, I will tell you that it's been 2 years, more than 2 years we are with this initiative. My business never got affected by my commitment with Hub47. So this is what I think, that there is some power who keep pushing us. And inshallah, I believe there will be a time that everyone will know about what we are doing, inshallah.
Zabardast. I mean, very heartening to hear about the journey, your journey, Hub47's journey as well. I think कोई भी खैर काम हो तो उसमें बस you have to take the first step with the right intention. और अगर सबकी इंटेंशन सही हो तो डेफिनेटली इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट होता है। और जिस तरह आपने कहा कि आपके पीछे एक ऐसी कुव्वत आ जाती है जो कि खुद ही रास्ते आसान करते जाते हैं। तो वी आर विटनेसिंग दैट। वी आर वेरी क्या कहते हैं, खुशकिस्मत है हम कि हम उसको विटनेस कर रहे हैं, और इंशाल्लाह एक्साइटेड टू सी कि आगे किस तरह चलेगा। Hub47 थोड़ा सा आपने मेंशन किया कि क्या कर रहा है, थोड़ा सा उसके अंदर और डिटेल में जाते हैं कि किसके लिए है, किन किन लोगों को अभी आप एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं, और क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं ओवरऑल, प्लीज।
See, Hub47 primarily it's a tech incubation or the acceleration program. But along with that, in the incubation, what we do, we are providing a consultation, mentorship to our startups, and at the end of the journey with the startup, I will talk about it later, we are connecting those with the investors. So, and the other dimension is the networking. We create the networking opportunities for the Pakistani entrepreneurs that are in the UAE, because I saw that there are a lot of Pakistanis, they are doing a great business, but most of them, what I saw, they are not very good networker. So if you compare these Pakistani entrepreneurs with the other nationalities, they do the events, they get connected with each other, they support their community initiatives. But for our Pakistani entrepreneurs, there's not such a developed platform where they can network and where the upcoming generation can meet them. So that they are these two gaps that we are trying to fill. The first is the incubation and the exploration program. The second one is the networking. So yeah, so we are working on it. Yeah.
I think एक और बड़ा important aspect ये है कि हम एक independent unit है, किसी की affiliation नहीं है. We are housed in Pakistan Association Dubai, which is well known, well reputed as well in the community.
Absolutely. Pakistan Association Dubai is, in terms of the community center, it's one of its kind in the whole world that we know. And their members are, I think, they're crossing more than 5 to 10,000 somewhere around. Yeah. So, and the initiatives that Pakistan Association Dubai is doing, it's supported by the government of the UAE, and they appreciate it. If you know that recently they have imprinted the hands with the Pakistan UAE flag, the hands of the Pakistanis for the UAE flag, and that got a Guinness Book of World Record. So these type of initiative that the PAD is doing, they are well recognized at the national level, and even appreciated by the UAE government. So the Hub 47 is one of the initiative of PAD. So we are working as a separate wing for Pakistan Association Dubai.
I think बिल्कुल I believe 25,000 handprints उस initiative में लगे थे, which is a huge achievement to be able to do that. Excellent. So let's talk about the incubation first, which Hub 47 is now involved in. How do you engage with startups? If I am a founder and I have an idea, can I come directly to you? Is there any prerequisites? How are you catering to them?
Yeah. So Hub 47 has developed their criteria to select the startup. So the criteria for Hub 47 for the startup is that the startup should be at a MVP level, that they should have developed the minimum viable product. Means that they might have certain customers from the market, they built have certain traction, and the application process is there. If they apply online on our website, which is hub47.ae, our team of experts, they will review the application, and we are taking the startups in our cohort program. So our cohort right now, it's going on. One of the cohort, it's going to be ended by the end of the next month, and after that there will be a ceremony for the graduation. So we are going to, then again we will open for the application, and once we will receive the application, our team will review, and once those startup will get selected, we'll invite them in our next cohort.
Excellent. And so what are you covering in this program? I understand I need to have a minimum viable product. Preferably, I should have some customers. What are you helping me with? Why am I coming to you? What is the benefit that I'm receiving?
So the current program that we have developed, it's divided to the three stages, we call it. The first one is where we review the marketing plans, the go-to-market strategies for the startups. We give them the consultation and the mentorship, and if we think that these things need to be corrected, and those startups are being mentored by our mentors. They are the market expert mentors that we have that are working with Hub 47. So this is the first stage. The second phase that comes in, where we review their financial models, business models, pricing strategies. And then the last phase that comes in the third phase. In the third phase, we work on the pitch decks, the pitches of the startup. So that, for example, by the end of the cohort, they are going to meet with the investors. So meeting the investor, they need to have a proper pitch deck that should be ready, so that on the pitch day, they can get easily interacted with the investor and will be able to get any funding if required.
Zabardast. I think इसका काफी benefit मिल सकता है, especially to new founders. मैं ये देखता हूँ through our experience that a lot of startups come with great ideas, but because they have not been exposed to marketing or finance to that level, gaps aa jate hain. And I think by going through such a program, they can ensure that they cover all the bases, and they themselves are aware what they need to be able to grow and accelerate their business in the future. I'm sure it adds a lot of value, especially when it comes from market experts, as you
Mhm.
said. How easy is it to convince someone who is a market expert to give their time to a program like this?
So you are asking in terms of the mentors?
Mentors.
Oh, okay. See, as I mentioned, that Hub 47 initiative is a volunteer initiative, yes. So what I saw that our mentors, once we mentioned to them what is Hub 47, for example, we have a team of experts working with Hub 47, but there are certain mentors that we need from time to time that are not working with the Hub 47 regularly. But once we pitch them that what we are doing and for whom we are doing actually, so there are the challenges, because getting a time from someone who already is busy and is working at some C executive level or have a big company who's running. But what I saw that the Pakistanis, they are very active in the volunteerism. Yes, the only thing is they should have a proper platform where they can perform. So whenever we needed any type of such marketing experts, they were ready to help us. Yeah.
Zabardast. Very heartening to hear. Not surprising, mashallah. We are very helpful as a nation when we need to be. So great to know. And again, किसी का आधा घंटा भी जो उस लेवल पे हो, काफ़ी बेनिफिट देते हैं स्टार्टअप को. आई थिंक दे कैन प्रिडिक्ट कि अगले 2-3 साल में क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स आप कर सकते हैं स्टार्टअप, एंड दे कैन डेफिनेटली हाईलाइट एंड गाइड द पीपल के watch out for this, be prepared for this.
Yeah.
And that can make all the difference between failure and success for sure.
Absolutely. Yeah.
किस तरह के स्टार्टअप्स के साथ आपने अभी तक काम किया है हब 47 के अंदर?
अब 47 में अभी तक जो हमने द स्टार्टअप दैट वी हैव ग्रेजुएटेड वर्किंग इन द हेल्थ टेक. Yeah, now there are a few startups that were working in the digital marketing sphere, and some that are into the AI sphere. So current cohort, if I talk about, we have a startup. We have a startups from digital marketing sector, the AI sector, ML, yeah, machine learning, and these things. So we have a quite diversified portfolio of startups that are working with us. So we are, but we are looking for maybe that because in the UAE, the most of which startups have got a maximum funding, the one that are working in the sphere of fintech. So we are looking for those type of startup maybe for our next cohort, because it's one of the hot topic and it's going to remain hot in the next few years. So yeah, so we are very keen to see that some Pakistani startup that are coming and working in the fintech industry.
Great. And where are these startups based? Are they all based at Dubai, or have come from Pakistan or some other place to Dubai to expand here? What has been your experience so far with them?
So as our criteria for selecting the startup is that the startup should be Dubai based, yeah, Pakistani origin. But we have few startups that they started in Pakistan, and then later they scaled or started the new business in Dubai. Yeah, so basically we have a mix of like Dubai origin and Pakistan origin as well.
I think that's great to have a balance like that. That means you are reaching those people from both markets, whether they're coming from Pakistan to Dubai or already based in Dubai or originating in Dubai. I think we are developing a lot of talent here as well, of second generation Pakistanis who have grown up in the UAE, who are looking to become entrepreneurs in the tech space. I think they can benefit a lot as well.
Absolutely, yes. Since Hub 47 have a collaboration with National Incubation Center of Islamabad, so we are in talks with them that if you have a vetted startup which are incubated with NIC, yeah, so we can help them to expand in the UAE, because we are here in the UAE and our mentors, they are expert of the UAE market, so they know how to penetrate or in this market, how to get customers in this market, how to build traction for the startups in this market. So we are working with NIC Islamabad, where and we are looking forward to work more constantly, where we will take their startups which are incubated with the NIC and they have a potential to grow in the UAE market. So yeah, so we are working on that also. Yeah.
I think जबरदस्त ये बहुत अच्छा initiative है, because going through an incubation program already prepares you for so many things, and then jumping into an acceleration program in a market like Dubai definitely will put wings on their journey. बहुत ज़बरदस्त ये इम्पैक्ट होगा इसका भी. जो लोग आपके इंक्यूबेशन प्रोग्राम में नहीं आते या क्वालिफाई नहीं करते, वो कैसे फ़ायदा ले सकते हैं हाँ47 से?
So we have a program, we call it that if for example the startups or any business that they are facing challenges in terms of their financial models, in terms of their marketing strategies, in terms of getting some funding for example, so we have a tailored made solutions or the consultancies for them also. So if they will bring any specific problem to us, we have a team of experts who will review, who will study their case, who will study their problem, and then those mentors or those experts will help them to resolve those issues. So we are open for those type of businesses who are struggling either to scale their business, either to expand to different geographies for example. Yeah, so our mentors, our experts are here with us who can help them.
अच्छा, so could you give an example of such a case where you've supported someone in a certain aspect जो कि आपके पास आया हो?
Yes, there was one business that were struggling. Actually, their product was brilliant. Yeah, they got certain customers as well, but they were struggling to manage their cash flows. So when we connected with our team to them, yeah, when they reviewed, they understood that there are certain capital expenditures they have not planned properly. So there was some certain cash flows issues for them. So once our team had diagnosed the problem, they resolved it, and now they are doing a good business in the market. It's been a year now, they are doing great.
Excellent.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो माशाल्लाह काफ़ी चीज़ों में हब47 जो है स्टार्टअप्स को हेल्प कर रहा है। अब हम लेके चलते हैं ज़रा दुबई मार्केट तरफ ले आते हैं। हब47 जो है यूएई में ऑपरेट कर रहा है, दुबई में ऑपरेट कर रहा है। किस तरह के स्टार्टअप्स, किस तरह के आइडियाज़ की ज़रूरत है इस मार्केट को? क्या-क्या इधर वेल रिसीव होता है?
यूएई की जो ओवरऑल मार्केट है और द गवर्नमेंट, जो यूएई की गवर्नमेंट है, दे आर वेरी कीन टू सपोर्ट दिस इकोसिस्टम, जो स्टार्टअप का इकोसिस्टम है। अगर आपने देखा होगा कि दे इन्वेस्टेड अ लॉट एंड दे वांट द यूएई और स्पेसिफिकली दुबई, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, दे वांट दिस प्लेस टू बी अ हब फॉर एआई इनोवेशंस। यूएई गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारे इनिशिएटिव्स अनाउंस किए हैं, जिसमें गोल्डन वीज़ाज फॉर द कोडर्स। यस, तो इस तरह के इनिशिएटिव गवर्नमेंट ले रही है। जिस तरह गवर्नमेंट के जो इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर्स हैं, लाइक हब71 है, डीआईएफसी इनोवेशन हब है, वो स्टार्टअप्स को बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, मेंटोरशिप, उनको इन्वेस्टर से कनेक्शन करवाना। इवन गवर्नमेंट ने खुद फंड्स एलोकेट किए हुए हैं फॉर सपोर्टिंग द इकोसिस्टम ऑफ द स्टार्टअप्स। AI startups, basically they are more towards the AI innovations and these things. तो अगर मैं एक एग्जांपल आपको देता हूँ, एक पाकिस्तानी स्टार्टअप है, विद स्टार्टअप था, नाउ इट्स अ डेवलप्ड एंटरप्राइज विद द नेम ऑफ अबी। सो वो they were working in fintech, and they have developed a product that was basically for the salaries एंड वेजेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम उन्होंने डेवलप किया है, और उनको हब71 की तरफ से फंडिंग मिली है। द फंडिंग दे गॉट दैट वाज मोर देन $20 million, which is a big achievement. Yeah, and the startup is Pakistan based, पाकिस्तानी फाउंडर है उसका, ऑनर्स, and till now they have expanded in the Bangladesh market as well, क्योंकि यूएई का जो wages system है, that is controlled heavily by the government. So उसकी penetration was very difficult for them. But hats off to the founders, the way they developed the product, और वो product अभी इस time पे I was reading somewhere right now, the valuation for that startup or the company is more than $90 million. That's a big achievement. So it means के पाकिस्तानी जो स्टार्टअप्स हैं उनके लिए प्लेइंग फील्ड बहुत बड़ी है यहाँ पे। गवर्नमेंट सिर्फ 2025 का, I was reading somewhere, they have allocated more than 2 billion dirhams of the funds for supporting this ecosystem. So उस ecosystem से कौन फायदा उठा सकता है? पाकिस्तान being close to this place, yes. So और पाकिस्तानी स्टार्टअप्स में बहुत ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल है, एज वी नो कि अगर हम पाकिस्तानी बड़ी कंपनीज की बात करें, करीम है, मतलब they are developed amazing products that are well known around the globe, and Dubai is the best place to nurture themselves to grow this from this market to the international market, including the GCC. Because अगर आप देखें, I was reading the news that Trump was saying that he's looking towards the UAE for the innovation hub. That's a big achievement for them, because this government invested heavily to that ecosystem, and now this ecosystem is heavily credible for the people like the US leaders. They are nominating or they are announcing for the UAE कि यार यहाँ पे वो AI को AI hub कह रहे हैं इस कंट्री को. इट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर दिस कंट्री. सो इट मीन्स दैट कि हम पाकिस्तानी स्टार्टअप्स के लिए जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल है टू ग्रो, उनके लिए दुबई और द यूएई इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेस टू कम एंड नर्चर देयर सेल्व्स.
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. आई थिंक जो कितने ही प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में आप सुनते हैं, इग्नाइट है DIFC में, इन5 है जो DSO में है, सिलिकॉन ओएसिस में, ADGM सपोर्ट करता है बहुत ज़्यादा, and many opportunities are there. I think Hub can also play a role in connecting and helping people from Pakistan understand how to access the ecosystem over here. Definitely हमारा ये रोल बनता है उस चीज़ को सपोर्ट करने में.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली. अब देखें, अभी हम आई जस्ट फॉर द ऑडियंस अपडेट, वी आर वर्किंग ऑन अ प्लान कि जहाँ पे हम NIC इस्लामाबाद के जो स्टार्टअप्स हैं विच हैव बीन इंक्यूबेटेड विद द NIC, एंड as suggested by the NIC, we are developing a program कि वो startups UAE में आएंगे. So we are developing a complete cycle. Since you know that Hub 47 is having a collaboration, or we have signed a MOU with CSA, that is the Canadian Startup Association. So what does it mean? That any startup based in the UAE, they have a potential to grow in the North American market, in Canada, for example. So there is a platform already available over there. So हम एक plan develop कर रहे हैं जिसमें NIC के startups, they will come first to Dubai. So they will sit with our mentors to understand Dubai market dynamics for this ecosystem, and then they will go to Canada, where we have a collaboration with CSA, that is the Canadian Startup Association, और जो वहाँ पे उनको mentor करेंगे कि कनाडा में अगर स्टार्टअप ने स्केल करना है या ग्रो करना है, how they can work in that market. So we are working to develop the complete cycle, जिसमें हमारे स्टार्टअप्स को एक अच्छी विजिबिलिटी और एक अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिलेगा मार्केट का.
आई थिंक ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग एस्पेक्ट बन जाता है, क्योंकि potentially it is also a path to immigration, because I believe जो Canadian Startup Association, that they approve those investor visas, innovator visas जो होते हैं, entrepreneurship से related होते हैं. तो एक unique aspect निकल आता है for Pakistani startups, Pakistani founders to be able to access that facility. Definitely a lot of value will be added. आपने मेंशन किया था कि और भी जो है इधर इंक्यूबेटर्स, गवर्नमेंट फंडेड प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे हैं. डेफिनेटली हब का मिशन काफ़ी बड़ा है, एंड यू नीड पार्टनर्स, यू नीड कोलैबोरेटर्स विद along with that to be able to make it successful. So what is hub looking forward to doing already? किस तरह से आप engage करेंगे?
Hub 47 right now we are looking to get partnered with the government funded incubator. So what does it mean? It means that कि हमारे जो startup that are working with Hub 47 and get graduated from us, they can, so we want to collaborate with the government funded incubation, so they can go over there, get an investment from them. And also we are working with the free zones. So हम उस free zone के साथ ये काम कर रहे हैं कि we want to give the subsidized licensing for our startups. So for example, आपको पता है कि setting up a business in UAE, it's a bit costly right now. Yeah, so we are working with certain free zone कि अगर हमारे startup वहाँ पे register करते हैं अपने business को, so they can get a subsidized rate in terms of the visas, in terms of their business licenses, in terms of the getting the co-working spaces over there. So this is what right now we are working, and we are working on those collaboration, and hopefully going forward we are going to update this market or to our audience as well, that we are working in these spheres.
I think दूसरा aspect इसका ये भी हो जाता है कि you also need good quality startups to come, good quality ideas to come to you. आपने बताया कि NIC के साथ आप कर रहे हैं काम, एनी अदर पीपल जो कि इधर का लोकल इकोसिस्टम का पार्ट हो जिनके साथ आप करना चाह रहे हो कोलैबोरेट?
जी बिल्कुल। हम वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गेट कनेक्टेड विद हब 71 फॉर एग्जांपल, यस, एंड we initiated already certain discussions with them, and we are going through to that phase where, and hopefully we are going to get some concrete results in terms of getting the collaborations. So one, देखें हब 47 ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुली ऑपरेट कर रहा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ वी हैव डन द ग्रेजुएशंस ऑफ आवर स्टार्टअप्स. सो हमारे स्टार्टअप जो दे हैव बीन इंक्यूबेटेड विद अस राइट नाउ, दे आर वर्किंग द मार्केट, दे आर देयर इन द मार्केट, एंड करंटली हमारा जो कोहॉर्ट चल भी रहा है वहाँ पे 5 स्टार्टअप्स इंक्यूबेट हो रहे हैं, एंड वो सारे स्टार्टअप जो हैं वो पोटेंशियल वाले स्टार्टअप्स हैं. सो वी वांट टू डेवलप दैट क्रेडिबिलिटी कि हमारे जो स्टार्टअप्स हमसे ग्रेजुएट होके जाएंगे, सो दे आर वेल प्रिपेयर्ड for this market. So हमारे स्टार्टअप्स को अभी जो द चैलेंज आई विल से इज गेटिंग द इन्वेस्टमेंट बिकॉज दे वांट टू गेट कनेक्टेड विद द इन्वेस्टर्स. हब 47 is doing the induction or registering the investors, yeah, but still we have a challenge where we can bridge this challenge by getting collaboration with the government funded incubation centers like hub 71 की अगर आप बात करें, DIFC Innovation Hub की बात करें. So we are working on that, and hopefully in the very near future we are going to get some breakthroughs.
आई थिंक एक और एस्पेक्ट जो होता है स्टार्टअप्स को जिसकी ज़रूरत है वो टैलेंट होता है, इंडिविजुअल्स होते हैं, नॉलेज सेंटर्स की ज़रूरत होती है. तो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ भी आई एम श्योर आपके प्लान का हिस्सा होंगे.
एब्सोल्युटली. अभी हम काम कर रहे हैं यूनिवर्सिटीज़, जो डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं इन द UAE, वेयर वी वांट टू गेट द यूनिवर्सिटी स्टार्टअप्स ऑन बोर्ड विद हब 47. So we are working on it, and secondly we are working actively to develop our founder club as well. So what is the founder club? जो startups के जो owners हैं, जो founders हैं, we want them to bring on one platform जहाँ पे वो अपना knowledge share करें. देखिए AI या जो टेक्नोलॉजी जिस तरीके से तेज़ी से बढ़ रही है, our founders, they, for example, now they are successful, for example, they are the successful CEOs of the companies. They should share that knowledge with the upcoming generation. So the new startup, they can, so if we make a founder club and we connect the already developed or established founders with the new founders, they can exchange the knowledge. So वो एक knowledge sharing university type बन सकता है, where we can have regular events, for example, कुछ भी updates आते हैं in the technology sphere, for example, they can share it with the new founders or the new startup that are just coming into this market. So we are working on these two aspects.
आई थिंक इसका बड़ा फ़ायदा हो सकता है एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को भी, स्टार्टअप्स फाउंडर्स को भी, बिकॉज आप भी ये समझते होंगे, आपका भी बिजनेस है, इट इज़ अ वेरी लोनली बिजनेस एट द स्टॉप. आप जब CEO होते हैं, फाउंडर होते हैं, यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर अदर पीपल, अदर स्टाफ. तो हैविंग एक्सेस टू अदर पीपल इन सिमिलर पोजिशन और हु हैव गॉन थ्रू द सेम जर्नी एज यू, उनसे आप बहुत फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं, उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस से. वो कोई टिप आपको शायद दे दें जो आपको फ़ायदा दे जाए, तो इट कैन बी वेरी वेरी इम्पैक्टफुल टू हैव.
एब्सोल्युटली. देखिए मैं इसको ना एक एग्जांपल के साथ रेजोनेट करूंगा. व्हेन आई स्टार्ट माय बिजनेस, या आई बिलीव एज यू मेंशन दैट ऑनर जो होता है ना, बिजनेस ऑनर, जो स्टार्ट के फेजेस होते हैं उसमें बिल्कुल अलोन होता है. सो हाउ इट्स ही इज अलोन बिकॉज उसको कुछ डिसीजंस ऐसे होते हैं वो दूसरों को बता भी नहीं सकता क्योंकि उसको फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस भी होते हैं समटाइम्स. बिकॉज इफ आई टेक माई एग्जांपल, में आई ऑलवेज कोट दिस थिंग कि एक महीने में मेरी सैलरी थी $20,000 और अगले महीने में $800 थी जब मैं बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था. सो आई कैन नॉट शेयर दिस थिंग विद समवन एल्स बिकॉज वो कहेंगे यार ये तो मतलब बिल्कुल ही ज़मीन पे आ गया. सो द फाउंडर और द ऑनर ऑफ द बिजनेस always struggle in the initial phases. ठीक है. And the second example where where I got a breakthrough in my business, I was really struggling to scale my business. ठीक है. I had a team, but I was really struggling कि मेरा business कैसे इसको मैं scale कर सकता हूँ. And I was driving. I remember that event and I always quote that. I was going to play the cricket match and मैंने एक podcast start किया. The podcast का जो speaker थे, his name is Dr. Ivan Meisner, who is the founder of BNI. He said, if you are listening this podcast, you have to watch it. Yeah, so you have to watch it. It's a video podcast, so you have to watch it. I was driving and I was going to play cricket. तो मैं लेट भी हो रहा था, मैच भी था. So I stopped my car and I said, let me watch it. Because उसका जो टॉपिक था वो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग था. That was garage to global. कि एक कंपनी को गैरेज से आप ग्लोबल कैसे लेके जा सकते हो. अच्छा मैं वहाँ it was quite interesting and I was really struggling to scale my business. I listened a lot, I referred to a lot of mentors, लेकिन मुझे concrete answer नहीं मिल रहा था. मैंने कहा चलो मैच पे sacrifice करता हूँ. Normally I don't do, but I did. So मैं वहाँ पे रुका, मैंने उसको देखा तो उसमें दो जो lines थी ना जो उन्होंने बोली थी, that completely shift my mind. सबसे पहली बात उन्होंने की थी, being an entrepreneur, don't work in the business, work on the business. God, that's a very powerful line. What I was doing, I was working inside the business. Yeah. So next day, I called my HR. We need to hire. The second line that changed my perspective, he said, while hiring the staff, don't look for someone who knows everything. Look for someone who has a spark to learn. तो मेरे पास CVs जब आए ना तो मैंने देखे कुछ लोग ऐसे थे, I know everything, I interviewed. तो कुछ ऐसे थे जो they wanted to learn. So I heard those one which wanted to learn. And right now, alhamdulillah, my business is going very smooth. And after listening that podcast, within a year, I scaled my business. I think the revenue shift came, the increase came more than 70%.
Amazing.
Yeah, so the mentorship is very important in the life of the founder or in the life of any startup. So getting the right mentor, it's a blessing, I believe. Yeah.
Amazing. I think words to live by. Garage to global.
Yeah.
Zabardast idea. फ्यूचर के बारे में बात करते हैं हपरी 7 के. क्या फ्यूचर इनिशिएटिव्स लाइंड अप है? व्हाट आर द मेन टारगेट्स? क्या क्या आप अचीव करना चाहते हैं? क्या क्या आप लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं? किस किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होगी हपरी 7 को?
ओके, अच्छा सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बात करूँगा व्हाट Hub47 इज करंटली डूइंग. हमारी टीम ने हम दे हैव डेवलप्ड अ प्लेटफॉर्म दैट इज कॉल्ड अ डिजिटल कोहॉर्ट प्लेटफॉर्म. कि हमारे कुछ स्टार्टअप्स दो स्टार्टअप्स हु कैन नॉट कम टू द UAE, any part of the world they are there, they can join our cohort. So we are digitalizing this incubation or the acceleration program for the startups. Yeah. Second thing, we are looking for the next currently we are running one cohort and it's going to be ended by the end of the month, and inshallah we are going for the next one as well. So our target for this year is to incubate minimum 10 startups. Yeah. And what we are looking, as at the start of this podcast, I mentioned that we are a volunteer organization. So we need volunteers because we have a team of around more than 25 people right now. They're working with us, but we need the volunteers from the Pakistani community because now our workload is getting increased. Yeah, because we have more startups, more events are coming in. So we need volunteers from our community who can join us. And second thing, the third thing, actually, we are looking for the investors. So we want the Pakistani established entrepreneurs who are in this market. They can work along with us as investors. So why they should work? Because Pakistani startups में बहुत potential है. Yeah, एक small product can be a next unicorn. और जो पाकिस्तानी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, दे हैव अ ब्रिलियंट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इन्वेस्ट इन दीज स्टार्टअप्स. क्योंकि और हमारे जो पाकिस्तानी इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, व्हाट आई सॉ देयर इज़ अ गैप दैट दे आर नॉट अवेयर इवन फॉर दैट के यार कोई ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मौजूद है जहाँ पे हम अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. सो Hub47 नाउ फुली ऑपरेशनल एंड वी आर रेडी टू टेक देम ऑन बोर्ड अलॉन्ग विद अस.
Great.
The last thing that I will, through this podcast, I would like to say that we need sponsors. Since we are a community-based service, we are volunteers. So definitely running these operations need money. Yeah. So हमारे जो पाकिस्तान के लोग हैं, they are very generous. Physical assets पे believe करते हैं. Like मस्जिद बना ली, ट्रीटमेंट मेडिकल के लिए कोई मशीन लेके दे दी, बिकॉज वो आप देख सकते हो. ठीक है, आप देख रहे हो कि यार लोगों को उससे फायदा मिल रहा है. बट ये एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जो दिखाई तो नहीं देगा, बट उसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत ज्यादा है. आई वॉज रेफरिंग दिस इन द लास्ट इवेंट. आई वॉज मैंशनिंग, अब जस्ट इमेजिन कि 10 स्टार्टअप सक्सेसफुली कंपनीज बन जाते हैं, प्रॉपर कंपनीज बन जाती हैं, और एक कंपनी में लेट्स सपोज मिनिमम 10 एम्प्लॉयज भी हैं, और 10 कंपनीज 100 एम्प्लॉयज टोटल हो गए, तो 100 घर चल रहे हैं. सो आपको अल्लाह उनका जरिया बना रहे हैं उनको चलाने के लिए. इट्स अ इनटेंजिबल रिवॉर्ड, बट दिस रिवॉर्ड हैज ए मल्टीप्लाइड इफेक्ट्स. सो आई वांट कि हमारे जो कम्युनिटी के जो स्टाफ बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, दे कैन वर्क अलोंग विद अस एंड और द स्पॉन्सर्स.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I think once they see कि क्या impact generate हो रहा है already, and I think we welcome all to come and visit Pakistan Sindh Dubai Hub 47 and see what is happening on the ground. They should have no doubt or no worry कि जी उनकी investment जो हो रही है वो सही जगह लग रही है, उसका impact भी generate हो रहा है. And I have no doubts कि in a few years time 100 क्या 500 क्या 1000 लोग इंशाल्लाह पधार कर चल सकते हैं इस इनिशिएटिव के थ्रू. And you know, as long as people are involved, as long as you know, we have the support of the Almighty और backing चलती रहेगी, there is no reason why this initiative should not be successful. Thank you so much शहबाज भाई, आपने टाइम दिया अपना कीमती हमें और हमारे साथ आपने engaging discussion की, अपने ideas शेयर किए, मिशन शेयर किया 47 का. If there's any final word you want to say to the audience, कि वो किस तरह से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से कॉन्टैक्ट करना 47 को, प्लीज से.
सो हमारे कुछ जो फॉर एग्जांपल पाकिस्तान में पाकिस्तानी बेस्ड स्टार्टअप जो पाकिस्तान में ही है, सो व्हाट वी आर प्लानिंग टू ओपन अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफिसेज इन इस्लामाबाद, इन लाहौर एंड इन कराची इन द नियर फ्यूचर. तो जो स्टार्टअप्स for example they are not been able to come here, we will have a representative sitting in those places and they can get mentorship also from them, and also they will help them how to migrate from Pakistan to UAE in terms of bringing their business in this market. So this is our plan in the near future.
Amazing.
Yeah.
जबरदस्त.
और जो if I talk about the message, देखिए पाकिस्तानी, अगेन आई विल से, पाकिस्तानी स्टार्टअप्स में बहुत पोटेंशियल है. सो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह नाउ इन द यूएई प्लेटफॉर्म भी उनके लिए अवेलेबल है. वी वर्क फॉर द लास्ट 2.5 years टू डेवलप दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. दिस प्लेटफॉर्म अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह नाउ इट्स अप एंड रनिंग फॉर देम. So you have a platform available. You just need to build a brilliant product that can be a next unicorn for this world. We already built for you this platform.
Thank you so much, and हम आपको बेस्ट ऑफ लक विश करते हैं, सपोर्ट विश देते हैं, आपकी टीम को दुआएं देते हैं कि आप लगे रहे, साबित करने के साथ लगे रहे. इंशाल्लाह सक्सेस विल कम योर वे and may all your objectives become true.
Thank you so much, Ali, for the invitation. Thank you.
Thank you.